Try box of 13 leaves. I caught it leaf. My blade fell out. Come on now, stay in there, bud. Let's fix that after the break. I don't know, I've been breaking a lot of 2013 products lately. It just seems like they're better, even though the crop of rookies isn't. Definitely not better. You can still hit some cool veteran cards in here. We're starting off with Jerome Bettis Immortals to $9.99. Ryan Swope Parkway. I think he retired before the first, in the preseason of 2013. Not what I'm looking for. A Ray Rice jersey to $1.99. Don't collect him, that's for sure. Oh, there's a Zonka to $9.99. Teo to $2.50. It's kind of cool. I haven't heard a lot about him this year. Chris Thompson to $100. He's really in this product. I opened some boxes at the National in August, and I was pulling Thompson autos and parallels right and left. There he is, the man, Marquise Goodwin to $1.99. DJ Hayden to $9.99 for the Raiders. Nick Casa. And a Ronnie Hillman jersey to $99. I guess that's our hits. At least it's numbered. And a Jonathan Stewart to $2.50. Okay. We'll do a quick recap. Just the parallels. $2.50, $99 jersey, a Hillman. DJ Hayden to $9.99. Marquise Goodwin. Michael's PC player, right? Chris Thompson to $100. Teo $2.50. And Rice at $1.99. Thanks.